Hello, dragon fruit lover. It's a beautiful sunny day. It looks like a summer, and we're still in February, which is amazing. Most of the cutting now. Sour Patch Kids, Caramella. They are rooted and ready. This is perfect weather for dragon. All these rooted, they are ready to go. In this video, just I wanna remember all my collection in my last season, and I prepare myself to my next season in 2 months. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. This is orange giant grafted. I don't know why I hope next week I'm gonna see something with this weather. This is Pink Panther seedling. Look the difference. This is the seeds, Pink Panther, and this is the cutting, Pink Panther. And this is, look, the grafting right here for Sugar Dragon. Look how beautiful when you graft it. Here we have Assunta 5 Sunset Sherbet. It's grafted here. Look, when you graft, better. Always recommended. Small cutting, you grafted, it grow faster than a big cutting, you're gonna root it. Look here, Assunta 5 Paco, same things, it's grafted. And look now, another Assunta 5 grafted here. Look, always recommended to graft. All that, I should remove that. Look. Always recommend to graft, because grafting, you're gonna have stronger plant. I use the white variety for the stock, and then I graft on it. This is Moroccan red, beautiful. Enigma, I grafted here, and you see how fast they go when you graft them. Michelle. Look, this is Desert King graft. Small, I grafted here. Look how big is it. Always I recommend the grafting. Another Enigma. No, this is Blood Mary grafted. Look how big is it. And I expect now, every day I see difference. Every day I see a different now. The weather is amazing. In the 70s, and we're gonna hit the 80s in February. I wanna take everything from the greenhouse now. This is what I started doing. Take everything from the greenhouse. We don't need it now. With this weather, no. But in the winter, when it's cold, this is Kandur. You see the George White Sapphire, Florida Sweet, all that go 1000 Pink. Look how big they are, because they are in the greenhouse. Oliver's purple. A little by little take him out. And this is Venus. Anybody have Venus? Let me know. Did anybody try? I don't try the fruit yet. If anybody have and try the Venus dragon fruit, let me know. Ohana Express doing so nice. New growth, amazing. This is a Santa 5. Usually I remove this, but I want this to use them like a cutting. I know they're gonna grow fast. Zebra. Frozen pollen for the first flower. Country road. We'll see if it's that work. Cosmic Charlie A4. Cotton candy. Laverne red. I think I'm gonna give her still a lot of green here. Give her like 2 more days, or maybe 2 more, I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Gonna have too much fruit. This is Laverne. Look how beautiful. This is Zamorano, I think ready to go. Look here. 3 fruit in the same branch and huge. But it suck dehydrated branch. They suck all the nutrition to feed the fruit. have makasuba, like 3 flowers. Look, this one beautiful. Laverne pink. It is beautiful. Assunta still open every night. There's a lot of them. And we have this one. All these, they're gonna open every day. But today we have just one. Giant Vietnamese white. And here, cotton candy. Tomorrow I'm gonna harvest this. And some of these we're gonna do video tasting. Oh, there's sunflower here. George red. Yes. I'm gonna collect all the pollen and mix it together. Again, pollen. Even if the fruit is, oh, this sugar dragon. There's one more here. The fruit is small. Look how tiny it is, because there's 3 in the same branch. But I wonder when I use their pollen and with different variety, the fruit, they're getting bigger. I think this is all. Here's all the pollen. And after that, I put it in the tube for tomorrow. I don't think I need it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna have more fresh. Every night I have fresh pollen. But in case if some of my friends, they need some pollen. Yes, it is beautiful. So easy cross-pollination. You have more than flower one night. You take from this and you go to this. And you take from this one, you go back to this one. And that's it. This is how easy the cross-pollination. doesn't need more than one sunny day to make this. It's winter, and after the rain you can see all these new growth coming. This is Desert King. You see that? All these new branches coming. They love the sun, especially after the rain. A lot of new growth. It's beautiful, look. I'm gonna remove this. If something inside, I keep it. Something in the edge, I remove it. Really, really beautiful day. Have a wonderful day, everybody.